welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make you some Pichi Pichi. No, not Pinchy Pinchy. Pichi Pichi. That's right. It's steamed cassava cake covered in freshly grated coconut. Oh, roll emoji. I can already taste it. I'll show you how it's done. So you will put your cassava into a bowl. If you're using fresh grated cassava, you will need to peel it, grate it first, and then then transfer into a bowl. Then add coconut milk into, mix that all together really nicely, and then your sugar, this is such a simple recipe. You could even do this with your children. My girls at the moment are in school, so this would be perfect when they come home as a treat. And then some lye water. Do you know what? This is so easy to make. You can probably do it blindfolded. Or how are you going to measure? Some lye water. Hating kapatid, mga hating kapatid. So, kailangan, actually, maybe kailangan lang ng dalawa. Maybe I only need 2 bowls. Yeah, I'll leave some in here. Save washing. So, let's pour some here. And some here. That's about right. And then let's add some I've committed already. I put too much, but it's okay. So that's the ube. You'd want to mix that. Ooh. Nice and purple now. Did I just drop that everywhere? Oh, never mind. Right, for the pandan, we're going to add the pandan flavor. Mix a little bit more. Ooh, I can smell that. So now we're going to add them into the molds. So, let's get our molds. Oh, let's make sure that lightly oil it because it's just good practice. Got some oil here. Alright, let's start with the pandan. This didn't go as green as I hope it was going to be. These are very small, well, medium mold apparently, but I'll prefer it bigger. Although you can probably do twice as many of these. Now let's add these into the steamer. I'm going to start with the smaller molds. Go all around the steamer like this. I've got some water in here. Be careful. We're going to first let that boil with the lid on. So now the water's boiling. We can add our cassava mixture. Right timer. Let's put it for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes, yo. While we wait for this to cook, we are going to grate our coconut. This is my horse. Kabayo, kudkuran, what was the other name? I can't remember now. A lot of people commented when I posted this on Instagram what it's called in the region. I can't remember the other names, but yeah, that is how you're going to manually shred your coconut. I'm going to put that on the side for now. So first we're going to get the water out of this. I don't know how this is going to work. God, they make it look so easy. Oh, there you go. It's there. Hey. Okay, maybe we do this side as well. There you go. Not so very glamorous, is it? But it's getting. Oh. It's coming out. Woo. Right. As long as I'm not hurting myself, we're good. My ring is falling out. My dog is worried. Don't worry, baby. Yay! We did it! Right. That's what it looks like inside. Could actually just... I don't know if I should sit up here or not. Probably not a good idea. But you basically do this to it. And it should like grate some. Oh! 10 minutes left! Oh my god! Well, that's our cassava done. I have been busy grating our coconut, so hopefully that's good enough. Let's check. Ooh, looks good! Right. Let's turn this off. Turn you off. Into the cassava, but I kind of want, actually, you know what, yeah, I'm going to just let it cool down here without the lid, so we'll just do that. Let me move some stuff. So I'm going to cool this down here in the background. I'm going to take this away. So you need to let your Pichi Pichi cool down for about 30 minutes. And I forgot to mention earlier that you cook your Pichi Pichi for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's see-through, and then let it cool down for a little bit, another 30 or 40 minutes, and then you can start taking them out. So I'm going to show that how you're going to assemble it. So let's take some smaller ones. Actually, you know what? The orbit turned kind of green. It's weird. Let's start with those. You can see it is going to be sticky, so you're gonna want to drop it into your coconut. Because it's sweet already, you don't need to cover your coconut with sugar. Just need to coat it with your shredded coconut, fresh coconut, and then it's on there. Do you know what? It actually looks green. The orbit looks green. It's okay. Me and you, we know it's purple. It's meant to be purple. Okay. And then you have the pandan actually look yellow. Oh well, never mind. Never mind. Do you know what? The good thing about this is that It's so delicious. It's worth making. And my battery is going again, which is annoying. Right, so that's it. That's how easy. Look how quickly it came out of the tray. I'll move that there. So just kind of tip it off. Do you know what? This reminds me of my childhood completely. It's crazy. It's amazing. Okay, maybe some of this. Tip it. Okay. I'm so pleased on how this turned out, guys. I'm gonna arrange this a bit nicely so I can take a good photo and then you can see how beautiful it is. And hopefully I'll have enough battery to take a photo for you guys. And then the big ones, you probably just want to sort of slowly, actually let's do this slowly, because I remembered I actually didn't oil this, but it looks like it's going to just come out really nicely. Boom! That is cool. Actually, put the big ones on this side. Let's do yellow. Nice yellow one. So I think you still need to sort of take the sides, release sides, kind of. I mean, you don't even need to use my hands. I'm just being silly. I like hands on things. No. Okay, cool. That looks great. Oh, look how delicious that is. So, maybe what else can I make? Oh, let's take one out. These. Actually, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna grate some more. I'm gonna shred some more coconut later on. So there you go, guys. Here is my Pichi Pichi. Delicious. I think I'm actually going to try one. Oh. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. You know what I like about it? It's soft enough, but it still held it together. The lye water kind of held the mixture together. And if you want, you can make this sweeter. But I think for me, this is perfect. Like, it's one of those hindi nakakaumay. What is that in English? It's not too sweet that you kind of just, yeah, it's not too sweet. It's perfect. Mmm. Mmm. That was good, guys. So guys, if you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel and see me again next time. Find all the links at the bottom of this video and it will link you to the full recipe. Until next time, paalam! Look how short I am. Boo! Boo! That's right. You heard it here first. I have a horse.